Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel 1T10 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. Just make sure that the content you want to capture is visible on your screen. Once that is so, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this sound with the notification that it's saving the screenshot. It also gives you the option to share, edit, or delete it from here, and if you don't do anything with it, it will just disappear after a moment. Once it does so, you can open up your photos. I'm gonna just not back it up. And here we're going to navigate to Library, and you will find a Screenshots album. You can click on it, and in here you will find all the screenshots that you have captured over the time of using this device. Now for me, this is just a single screenshot, as you can see. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.